The Smiling Monster of the Lake. Maya and Leo were exploring a quiet corner of the school library. Maya pulled a dusty, green book from the bottom shelf. On the cover was a creature with a wide smile and fluffy pink ears. "Look at this, Leo," Maya whispered. "It says this is a water monster, but it looks so friendly." They sat down on the rug to read about the mysterious axolotl, curious to learn why this creature never seemed to grow up. "Did you know that the axolotl is not a fish?" Maya asked, reading the first chapter. "Even though they spend their entire lives underwater, they are actually a type of salamander. While most salamanders undergo a metamorphosis to live on land, the axolotl is unique. It stays in the water forever." Maya turned the page to reveal a map of the ancient lake systems in Mexico, where these creatures originated. Leo laughed when he saw a close-up photo of the creature's face. "Did you know their name comes from an ancient language called Nahuatl?" he said. "It means water dog, but I think they look like tiny underwater dragons." The book explained that they were named after Xolotl, the Aztec god of fire and lightning, who was said to have disguised himself as the creature to hide in the water. "This is amazing," Maya said, turning the page to a section on biology. "Did you know that axolotls never truly grow up? Most amphibians change their bodies to breathe air on land, but axolotls keep their youthful features forever. This scientific phenomenon is called neoteny. They stay in their larval form, keeping their fins and their gills even when they are fully grown adults." Leo's eyes went wide as he read the next fact. "Maya, look, they have actual superpowers," he shouted. "Did you know that an axolotl can regrow its own body parts? If they lose a limb or even part of their heart or brain, their body can grow a perfect new one without any scars. Scientists study them closely to understand how humans might heal better in the future." Maya looked closely at a drawing of the axolotl's head. "Did you know those pink branches on their heads are actually their lungs?" she explained. "Those fluffy feathers are external gills. They move them through the water to pull in oxygen. Because the gills are on the outside instead of hidden behind slits, they look like a beautiful feathery crown surrounding the axolotl's face." Leo noticed something interesting about the colors in the book's photographs. "I thought they were all pink," he said. "But did you know that in the wild, most axolotls are actually dark brown or black? The pink ones are very famous in photos, but they are usually the ones bred as pets. In their natural habitat, their dark speckled skin helps them stay camouflaged in the muddy lake bottom." Maya's face became a little sad as she read the final chapter about conservation. "Did you know that axolotls are critically endangered?" she told Leo. "They only live in one specific place in the whole world, Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City. Because the water is being polluted and the city is expanding, there are very few axolotls left living in the wild today." Leo closed the book and looked at Maya with a look of determination. "We have to tell people about them," he said. "If everyone knows how special they are, maybe we can help save their home." He grabbed a large piece of poster paper and a bright marker. He wanted to start a school project to teach his entire class about the smiling water dog from Mexico. "Did you know that you are now an axolotl expert?" Maya said, smiling at Leo as they packed up. They walked out of the library, ready to share their new facts with the world. They knew that the first step to saving any creature is learning its story. From their superpower healing to their forever young bodies, the axolotl was truly the most amazing monster in the lake.